We enjoy a good White Russian, but sometimes you want to change it up because vodka is boring.
Yes.
So we found a recipe called Toasted Almond on, well, you found it.
Yes, on the Spruce Eats, and it sounded delightful.
Right, because we both like Amaretto. Well, we specifically like Di Serono.
Right.
Yeah, it's a White Russian. Just sub out Amaretto for Di Serono.
Amaretto for vodka.
Yes, that.
That.
And so yeah, we're gonna try it with Mr. Black and oat milk because that's how we like our White Russians.
We haven't tried this cocktail before.
Right,
Ever.
so there's not much else to get into this recipe except for let's just make it.
Yep, let's do it.
So they suggest to shake this cocktail to froth up the milk in it, so that's what we're gonna do. We really like oat milk because it's gonna give it a different kind of texture and creaminess to it, so use whatever dairy product that you like.
Or non-dairy.
Or none. 1.5 ounces of your favorite Amaretto, and if it's not Di Serono, you're wrong, just kidding. Then 1.5 ounces of your favorite coffee liqueur, hands down, Mr. Black. And strain over a large ice cube. If you use milk, they'll probably be really frothy. Oat milk doesn't tend to froth as much. Obviously, really easy cocktail to make. And yeah, let's just go for it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's nice.
Yep.
Tastes like a latte.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit boozy.
A little bit boozy. Man, if you used Kahlua with this, it'd be so sweet.
Way too sweet.
Because the Amaretto is
Sweet
really
by itself.
so. I would probably dial back the Amaretto a little bit, probably 3/4 of an ounce.
I understand wanting to use equal parts, but I do think the Amaretto does kind of sink forward, but it is toasted almond.
Maybe an ounce, 1/2 ounce or 3/4 to an ounce. Obviously, if you're using Kahlua, that sweetness in that coffee might push forward a little bit more. Maybe it's good. I mean, it's exactly what you expect, right? You get a lot of almond, you get some of that coffee flavor, and then your dairy, non-dairy is just...
If you do buy a non-dairy alternative, make sure you get the unsweetened variety. You don't want to be sitting here with more sugar from your dairy alternative.
Turn everyone into diabetics.
Yeah.
But
it does have a nice body to it. Like it is frothy, like a nice latte would be.
No, I think this is a good alternative to a White Russian if you're just looking for something just a little bit different to throw a wrench in that game. You know, after dinner drink for sure. This would definitely be a crowd pleaser.
Yeah, I might prefer this to a White Russian, which I know is kind of blasphemy, but I do like the almond in it.
Yeah, our next video we're going to compare the different Mr. Black expressions in this drink.
We don't have all of them. I think we're missing one.
Are we?
I think so.
What?
I think so.
We buy all of them every time.
I think we missed one.
No. Okay.
We'll have to check.
We're gonna try all of them
that we have.
Scale back the Amaretto just again for our palate.
Yes.
So, but yeah, this is a good cocktail, easy to make. Most people have some sort of Amaretto at home. Give this a try. Let us know in the comments. See you guys next video.
Cheers.
Cheers.